At this stage, you should feel comfortable graphing a quadratic function using its vertex and some other points that you might create by setting up a table. There are, however, some special points that can be useful for graphing a quadratic function, and those would be the X and the Y-intercepts. Now, to find the Y-intercept of any graph, you know that's the point where the graph will cross the Y-axis. We know that the X-coordinate of that point is 0. So what we do then to find the Y-intercept of the quadratic function that we have here, y equals 4 minus x squared, what we're going to do is to let x be equal to 0 and then solve the equation for y. So we have then y is equal to 4 minus 0 squared, which is equal to 4. So we can say that the y-intercept then will be the point 0, 4. Now, to find x-intercepts of any graph, if indeed there are x-intercepts, you know that that would be the place where the graph would cross the x-axis, and the y-coordinate of a point on the x-axis is 0. So what we'll do to find the x-intercepts then will be to let y be equal to 0 and solve the equation for x. So we have then, in this case, 0 is equal to 4 minus x squared. And it's quadratic, and we can easily factor the equation into 2 minus x times 2 plus x. And then setting each factor to 0, we have x is equal to 2 or x is equal to negative 2. So we can say the x-intercepts will be the points 2, 0 and negative 2, 0.